Best car interior cleaner reviews help buyers choose safe, effective products for spotless, odor-free, long-lasting vehicle interiors. My today's video is about top 5 best car interior cleaner reviews that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Wagon EL7209 Cordless Car Vacuum. The Wagon Cordless Vacuum stands out as a powerful yet ultra-portable cleaning solution for both car and home use. Equipped with a 96W brushless motor, it delivers dual-speed suction up to 16,000 pascals for stubborn debris and 10,000 pascals for daily dust and pet hair. This flexibility makes it equally effective on car interiors, sofas, carpets, and tight corners. What truly sets it apart is its 4-in-1 functionality: vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and air extraction, all packed into a compact device. Whether you're clearing dashboard dust, inflating air mattresses, or deflating storage bags, it adapts effortlessly. The cordless design, powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, provides over 20 minutes of runtime and convenient USB-C charging from your car or any USB outlet. Weighing just 0.95 pounds, it's easy to handle with one hand. The washable filter, detachable 0.17L dustbin, and 5 versatile attachments complete a thoughtfully designed, travel-ready cleaning companion. Now our second product is Jay Leno's Garage Leather Cleaner. This 4-piece leather cleaner and conditioner kit delivers everything you need for complete interior leather care. Designed as an all-in-one solution, it includes a dedicated leather cleaner, nourishing conditioner, microfiber applicator, and soft towel, making it a practical addition to any car detailing setup. The cleaner effectively cuts through embedded dirt, body oils, and daily grime without relying on harsh chemicals. It restores a clean, refreshed surface while preparing the leather for conditioning. The conditioner then works to deeply nourish and protect, helping prevent fading, drying, and cracking caused by sun exposure and regular wear. After application, seats and trim feel noticeably softer and more supple. Its natural formula leaves behind a light, fresh scent rather than an overpowering chemical smell, making it ideal for frequent use on seats, door panels, and dashboards. Developed by professional detailing experts, this kit offers reliable performance and long-term protection, helping maintain your car's leather interior in showroom quality condition. Our third product is Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner. The SPI 22016 all-in-one interior cleaner delivers impressive performance for drivers who want both cleaning power and lasting protection in a single step. Designed to remove grime, fingerprints, dust, and body oils, it restores surfaces to a natural, factory-fresh look while adding a protective layer that helps resist future buildup. Safe for leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and even glass, this versatile formula works seamlessly across dashboards, door panels, seats, trim, and navigation screens without causing fading or discoloration. Unlike greasy dressings that leave interiors slick and shiny, it provides a subtle OEM-style finish that looks clean and refined. Application is refreshingly simple. Just spray and wipe. No rinsing or heavy buffing required, making it ideal for quick maintenance or full detailing sessions. Beyond vehicles, it's equally effective on desks, chairs, and countertops, offering a convenient, multi-surface solution for maintaining a polished, well-kept environment anywhere. Now number 4, Meguiar's Quick Interior Detailer Cleaner. The Meguiar's Quick Interior Cleaner continues the brand's long-standing reputation for quality and innovation. Formulated to safely clean plastics, vinyl, leather, rubber, metal, and even delicate LCD and navigation screens, it offers true all-surface versatility without risk of damage. Its high lubricity formula gently lifts dust, dirt, grime, and light spills while restoring the original look of interior materials. Unlike harsh cleaners that strip or dull surfaces, this solution enhances depth with a dark, rich finish that never feels greasy or overly glossy. Built-in sun-blocking agents add valuable protection, helping prevent fading, cracking, and drying caused by UV exposure. The convenient spray bottle ensures fast, hassle-free application, perfect for quick touch-ups or full interior refreshes. Celebrating 125 years of leadership since 1901, Miguiar's once again blends professional-grade performance with easy DIY use, making this cleaner a reliable choice for maintaining a like-new interior. And our last choice is Shine Armor Car Interior Cleaner. This next-generation interior cleaner delivers impressive results thanks to its advanced nanotechnology formula. Designed to clean, condition, and protect in one step, it restores dashboards, seats, and trim to a factory fresh matte finish without leaving behind greasy residue or streaks. Surfaces look naturally refreshed rather than artificially shiny. Its anti-static properties actively repel dust, helping interiors stay cleaner for longer periods. At the same time, the formula tackles built-up grime, light stains, and lingering odors, creating a noticeably fresher cabin environment after every use. A standout feature is its integrated UV shield technology. By blocking harmful sun exposure, it helps prevent cracking, fading, and drying on leather, vinyl, plastic, and rubber surfaces, extending the lifespan of your vehicle's interior materials. Safe for virtually all interior surfaces, including fabric seats and headliners, it avoids harsh chemicals while maintaining professional-grade performance. Application is effortless. Spray onto a microfiber cloth, wipe, and buff lightly for a smooth, streak-free finish. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.